Hey, it's Arnie from Analyze the Trade, and I want to look at WTC, Western Texas Crude, and then we'll look at some of the related equities, Chevron. So yesterday, crude had a big day. It broke through the $80, $81 level, and it went all the way down, touched around 75 or so, before bouncing. Now, the main drop happened in at the same time that a report came out saying that OPEC was going to increase supply. And now, as you can see, crude has been in a downtrend, but it was bouncing between resistance at around 94, and it had the support level at around 75, 76. So yesterday, that news just pushed crude down. And it got down to the 75 level, and maybe coincidentally, or it just so happened that another news story came out saying that OPEC was not going to increase supply, and that first news was fake news. So that caused, or maybe it was just the technicals, the support level, but oil bounced from that point. And it ended the day above 80. And you could see that was on November 21st, and you could see here pre-market on November 22nd that oil is heading higher. It's above 81 right now. So what is going to happen after this? I mean, no one knows. You obviously have resistance here, strong resistance at 94. So, but you've also got these moving averages that it has to get through, these levels where there's going to be some selling pressure, and especially the 89. This is a daily chart. The 89 here, which is going to be around 80, 88, 89. Now, if it continues to go down, breaks through the support level, well, look out below. So let's just take a look at Chevron, CVX. We've looked at this before, and here's the daily. So we see again that yesterday Chevron followed crude and broke down and headed all the way down, just nicked the 34 EMA at around 170, 175, and then bounced back with the news and ended the day over 181. So again, the question remains, what's Chevron going to do? And it's probably going to do what crude does. So if crude continues to go up higher, well, Chevron has a nice path till around 186, 187, but it's got resistance level. So, if it breaks through the 175 level, then the next resistance here is at the 89 at 166. So obviously no one knows what's going to happen. The macro picture still seems to be in favor of higher oil prices with winter and the Russia-Ukraine war. However, the China lockdowns combined with recession and increasing interest rates, less demand, that could weigh on crude and the equities. And also, if the entire market goes down, then it's likely that the equities will also take a turn lower, although maybe not as much as the rest as technology or the rest of the market. So let's see what happens today. Is crude going to continue its bounce or move lower?